shit! Oh, Murray's down.
Anytime there's dead air, I'm going to think we're disconnected.
Well, Ernie can talk the entire way if you want.
I can what?
Exactly. Just keep saying that. I can what?
What?
I can what?
I can who?
I can... Well... Now we're getting into personal territory.
Ah.
Well, we've had our communication issues.
Well, we have that all the time, but this is just particularly acute digitally.
Hopefully we've got everything lined up and working now. Who's leading?
I am.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right. Left or right, Murray? Left. Thanks, sir. And then right. Yeah, like immediately, right? Yeah. Yeah, okay, I see it. There's a big sign. It's really helpful. Okay. This is us.
This is officially the start here?
Yeah. It's apparently the scenic route.
The scenic route.
Yeah.
Timber Trail.
All right, welcome to Timber Trail, West Highlands. I keep calling you wrong, here we come.
Good day and welcome to Timber Trail.
What the hell was that?
Bob and Doug McKenzie.
G'day, eh? Is it intro time, Jim?
Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. So is the idea that we're checking into the cottage on the way by?
No.
No way.
Can't check in till 2 o'clock.
Oh, so we'd be too early.
Well, my GPS is telling me that we're only 2 hours away from the end of our ride. So even if we stop for lunch, we'll still make it before 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're thinking like lunch is, say, an hour.
Yeah, we're going to need an hour for lunch. I'm hungry.
Yeah, so that makes us 3 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
And like I said, check-in is between 2 and 5. And cart.
Jeff. Oh.
Woo!
Dusty.
This is a decent road. I quite like this.
Big turn.
Yeah, there's some tight turns on this one.
Okay, feel free to let me know. Bit of a washout on the inside. Corner. There. Tight turn to the left. But you guys probably know that.
There's gas stop. And I will need gas after lunch.
Okay. What's this? Yard sale? Forget it. Well, there was the Monarch Cafe, but that wasn't it. Okay. That's not it.
We're running out of room.
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna pull around this gray guy and pull in front of him.
All right. They're not open. What? Well, the sign on top says gas open.
It says open.
Fill and run.
I don't know, man. There's nobody in there.
Do you want to try, or just do you want to go to Apsley?
Is that where the grocery store is?
Yeah, and the other gas station.
I think we're going to have to. Shit. Yeah, I think if you just turn it hard, you should maybe, yeah. I'll move back a bit.
After a bit of commotion searching for our lunch stop and gas, we checked into our cabin at Lakeview Cottages and head back to Coe Hill to pick up on the timber trail where we left off at lunch.
Tight left coming up.
Okay.
Right here.
Left here.
That's an informative cautionary sign. All right, righty-tighty. Does everyone have a map going?
Yep. Kind of, sort of.
Yeah.
Is this helping, the turns?
Yeah.
Okay. Tight left coming up. And it's a blind one.
Did I get him?
Almost.
Just saw a flash out of the corner of my eye.
There was two of them.
Oh, was there?
Turning right up here somewhere.
How about at the road?
This is fresh.
Yeah. Tree.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to stop?
Jeff, can you watch for cars?
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice and light.
Yeah. No more trees.
I was going to fix my phone.
Okay, take your time.
Funny enough, we're on Jeff Road.
Yeah, I see that. All right. We're good to go.
Oh, let's get comfortable. Eels Lake Road.
Eels Lake Road.
There is a chance I'm going to get lost in here. It's a bit of a maze.
Awesome. Okay, we've already checked in. We've got to get to
Hope you brought extra fuel. Oh, no, wait. Car.
Another one of those car trucks.
Yeah. Oh, good.
It's Could be a dusty one. Privately funded, use at own risk.
I'm pretty sure this is part of the timber trail.
Wouldn't be the first time we went off and did our own thing.
As they say.
Yeah, I think it'd be a good idea to pick up a second filter and just bring it clean, oiled, ready to go.
Or you could just ride it front.
Okay, I'm just going to do a quick search on my app. Hang on a sec.
Yeah, I had to give everyone's camera a wipe. Hold on.
I don't think I need to be tidied up
Really
myself,
dusty.
but wow. Jeff is absolutely covered. Well, so is Ernie.
Yeah, Ernie be bad too.
I'll get my turn tomorrow.
Thanks.
Oh, and I get to be at the front tomorrow for a bit.
Yeah.
Did you get yours already, or?
Let's wait for you.
Now that I've done you guys, one of you guys has to do me.
Who wants to go first?
What, all three of us, Jeff? You did say
What?
He's such a team player.
All at once, eh? Holy, I don't know about that. I'm thinking about just, when we get back to the cottage, I'm going to drive straight in the lake.
So, very tight right, and then we're going to be doing a left-hand turn.
And it looks like we're coming back on that road, too.
I don't know what's going on there, Jeff, but I know not to go left later. But this is us here. So this is, I believe it will be a snowmobile trail. Okay?
Oh, shit.
But
Stalled her.
This would be a water hole in the future. Oh, good back rock.
I heard some rocks hanging off of skid plate.
Yep.
Rocky hill climb.
Rocky descent.
Like fire end of it.
Mike's coming.
Yeah,
They're behind me. Keep right.
keep right.
Yep.
Yeah, I think so. We'll climb with a big was fun. Yeah. It's always fun when it's successful. Oh, shit!
Oh, Murray's down.
Okay, let's get to the...
You okay, Murray?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, just take a minute. You hit hard.
You alright?
Yeah, just Charlie horse, I think. Okay, just take a minute. We'll get the bike.
Ready? Hold on.
Is the kickstand down?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a bit of a drop.
How's your hand? Okay. That one of the rocks turned you off?
Yeah, I don't know. All I saw was you going over and your back wheel was in the air.
I came over the top of that hill just too fast. And then all of a sudden it's like all these rocks and so good. Proof that you're an actual ADV rider. You alright? Yeah, I'm okay.
Like your front wheel hit that big one right there.
Yeah.
Just one
Yeah.
hit it.
Because you were on this side, and then it just...
My brake pedal works.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it is clearing the... It's really close, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
1 more kilometer.
Okay.
Yeah, that was fun.
You want to stop for a minute, guys, or just, the next step is, Dino Road down to Apsley for, gas and food.
What we need is a big adjustable wrench. Put it right on there and reef it in. Something in behind it so it bends in where you want it to.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Put a piece of cheese in there and see what happens.
All right, let's go get some beer.
Alrighty.
And that concludes our exciting day 1 adventures at the Timber Trail. Murray was fine with a few bumps and bruises and only minor damage to the bike. Pretty lucky all in all, and we'll all be back for day 2.
Gonna go there, Murray?
No. I'm kind of stuck here.
And we won't worry about the cameras or audio till tomorrow.